Hello everyone. Before I take any trades on the NQ, there are two levels I always want marked. The pre-market high and the pre-market low. These levels can show you where buyers and sellers are trapped before the market even opens. So for example, today is July 26th, and if you're asking yourself what is the pre-market, for the NQ futures, pre-market is basically the overnight session leading into the regular stock market open. I trade from Central Time, so I look from around 5 p.m. the previous day to 8:30 a.m. today. And if I looked at that time frame, the pre-market high is right here, and the pre-market low is right here. And on Top Step, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is just go to the area you want to mark, and you click this addition sign, and all you gotta do is draw a horizontal line. Just click that, and it draws it for you. And then when you click on the line, you're able to type a text. You can change the color to whatever you want. You can, change the font, whatever the case may be. Okay. So why the high matters? The high matters because it's important, because this is the highest price the buyers were able to push before the open. If the price breaks above it and holds, that can show strength. But if price taps and rejects, it can act as resistance. Okay. And why the pre-market lows matter, it's the opposite. Sellers were able to push. If the price breaks below this and holds, sellers may be in control. But if price tests and bounces, it can act as a support. Okay. So in two instances, it touched here as a pre-market low, and then it touched back here and it acted as a resistance. We don't want to blindly go in here. We have to wait for a confirmation as well, but it could be a good spot to take a trade and to buy, because look at bounced, touched, and it bounced off. For beginners, don't overcomplicate it before the market opens. For me, I mark three things where I have three things that are important: pre-market high, pre-market low, and I look at the VWAP. This will tell you the direction the VWAP does. If you're new to trading, I would suggest that you get familiar with the pre-market highs and lows and mark them, and study how the price reacts at those levels. Over time, you'll see patterns repeating themselves. And that's it. That's the pre-market highs and lows. And hopefully this video was able to teach you a little bit of something.